Hello and welcome to the Hydro Garden Grow Hub. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy and quick it is to build one of our LightHouse clone tents. This is perfect for propagation and it allows you to grow a wide range of seeds that might be difficult to grow all year round. Let's crack on, shall we? Now, there is a bit of a knack to assembling the tent. But what you're going to do is you're going to pop the top on and the rest will follow suit. Let's do it. Voila! Easy as that. So the beauty about this tent is you can either have it standing up or on its side. Right guys, so I've attached a digital heat map thermostat and we're going to use that to control our heat map. Now when it does come out of the box, it is curled up, but as soon as the heat warms it up, it is going to stretch it out. Right, next thing is we're going to be installing the EnviroGrow by Lumi propagation light. This one is the 2-foot 4 lamp version and we're going to put it in. Okay, the final thing is we're going to pop in a thermohygrometer. So, there we have it. Pop your seedlings in and away you grow. Thank you for watching. Catch you next time.